Peace be upon you all. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome to the heart of Morocco. Today, I'm challenging you to learn some Moroccan Darija in a funny way. I will teach you three easy phrases, and the fourth one, that is the real challenge. Then, I think you can figure it out. Let's see. First up, شحال هداك or شحال هادي. شحال هادي or شحال هاديك. It means how much is that or how much is this. So great for when you are bargaining in the souk or the market. Second, بالصحة والراحة. بالصحة والراحة. This is our way of saying cheers or enjoy. Perfect after a big plate of tagine or a refreshing cup of mint tea. Third, ما كاين مشكل. ما كاين مشكل. This means no problem. You will hear this often because Moroccan people will love to keep things relaxed. Now, here is the fun part. Can you guess what فاين غادي means? فاين غادي means. Okay, I'm leaving this one for you to figure it out. To make it easier, here are three choices. Okay, where are you going? What's your name? Are you hungry? Drop your answers in the comment and I will reveal it in the next episode. Don't forget to like, share and follow if you want to learn more Darija. Thank you. Got it right.